Filled with boundless yearning for the vast universe, I meticulously prepared my application for a NASA internship, eager to realize my aspirations in the field of space exploration. However, my parents' actions shattered these dreams into pieces. Behind my back, they exploited my scientific research achievements to launch a false space exploration crowdfunding campaign on the crowdfunder platform. With carefully crafted lies, they successfully raised $500,000 and then transferred the funds directly into their own accounts. When confronted, they claimed it was for customizing my spacesuit, but in reality, they used the money to purchase a waterfront apartment in Miami for their own indulgence. It wasn't until NASA detected abnormal fund flows during the background check that I realized I had been ensnared in this meticulously planned scam. I angrily demanded that they return the money, but they casually handed me the apartment keys saying, "You can work remotely from home in the future." The investigator from NASA's Office of the Inspector General warned seriously, misappropriation of scientific research funds can lead to criminal prosecution. These words sent chills down my spine, making me aware of the gravity of the situation. As the police car pulled up at the Space Center, its flashing lights illuminating my father admiring a rocket model, the notice of permanent cancellation of my internship in my hand felt colder than any space radiation. All my hopes and dreams were reduced to nothingness by my family's greed.